No matter what the government does, he is our candidate, not only because our party wants it, because our public, Turkish people, want to see him as a candidate in the presidential election. It's getting beyond Mr. İmamoğlu's treatment. It is more than that. Especially, we see young people taking to the streets that they demand justice is in a very bad shape. Housing crisis is quite severe. Many thousands and hundreds of thousands of graduates, they cannot find a job. You have to be a loyal AK Party member to get a good job in Turkey now, and they want a better future. So most of the people who go out to the streets to protest are usually young people, as you can see in the videos, and they try to get the control back because there's no separation of powers in Turkey, and the judicial system is controlled by the government, and they don't see any future in this in the country. Half of Turkish young people, they want to go abroad to find a better life. So it's all growing dissatisfaction on the part of the Turkish public that they want a better system. They want a system based on judicial independence. It's a system is based on better distribution of wealth. So these are the basic demands that people took to the streets. And it's of course the arrest of Mr. İmamoğlu is very important, but it triggered all the problems in Turkish society. That's why it took so long time. So the government has to listen to its own people because they demand something. They demand more democracy. They demand better conditions, better economic conditions. They demand better institutions, better health service. I mean, this is so basic for any society. So if the government decides that they can address some of these issues, some of these demands, then we can expect that these demonstrations die down at some point. But for now, we don't see any indication, any sign from government that that it's going to do something to calm the demands of the society. There are protests all over the country. I mean, in provincial towns, even in hometown of Mr. Erdogan in the Black Sea region, in Rize, the town of Rize, there are protest movements. So it spread across the country. There are, and not only the CHP main opposition party, but people from all political traditions. It's open, and they can participate, and they're participating in these protests. So it's not only our people, our constituency, our members. It's all the people are coming from all other parties.